Hi there. I hope you enjoyed Elias's performance of Pink Panther by Henry Mancini. This arrangement is by Dan Coates, but he's done many arrangements of pop pieces, and this is from Something for the Boys. It's a fun piece. I mean, it's one of those classics, right? Timeless. And because of that, it is so critical to just nail that rhythm from the get-go, right? Because that's, as soon as you play the first 1, 2, 3, 4 notes, everyone will know what you're playing. So you need to be pretty darn straight with that. And that is a challenge throughout the piece. So just keeping that consistent. And the articulation, that the slithery, oops, I forgot what key I'm in. Been recording too much already in different keys, so. So just really playing around and just nailing the playfulness of the 2-note slurs. I would say this is a consistent challenge with my students who first approach this, is just, oh, what note is that? So just making sure you're getting the rests there, because the left hand and the right hand have to operate pretty independently there. And then the other big challenge, I would say, is that switch from the dotted rhythm, the dotted 8th, followed by the 16th note, to the triplet eighths. So, for instance, in bar 9. So. Sorry, I was not sure what speed I was going to take it at. I'd say that's probably it for the main challenges I've seen. Articulation, definitely, because there's accented notes, there's, it's fairly detached. And then rhythm. Those would be the 2 big challenges. If you've worked on the Pink Panther, share some of your thoughts down below. What you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, what was easy, what was hard. And if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to check out some of the other videos. I'll put some cards up above there. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. All of that really does help the channel grow, and your help with that is greatly appreciated. Finally, head over to our Ko-fi page. We've got new stuff being added there, especially in the shop, the Ko-fi shop, and the commissions, and some perks. Ongoing. It's an ongoing process. That's it for now, so take care and catch you in the next video. Bye!